Hey guys, Ryan with RC Customs here. I'm just making a little short update video. I just got the engine block for the Mustang in the back of the truck. I didn't make a video of me pulling it out and tearing it down and all that because you've already kind of seen all that, but I will be making a full series on rebuilding the engine. I'm going to put up the build sheet of what I think I'm going to do with it. Right now I have it loaded up. I'm about to drop it off at the machine shop, and yeah, so we're going to take it from there. But I'm going to be doing a full build series here in the garage of getting a new crank, new pistons, rods, bearings. I'm going to be going over everything with how I build the engine and everything like that. So stay tuned if you're interested in like an engine building series. Probably gonna do a little time lapse of me putting all the stuff together like that. Transmission, I don't know, I think I might pull the input shaft on it, change the bearings, so I'll probably make a video about that, how to pull the input shaft on one of these T45s, how to shim it back up, how to shim it. It's freezing out right now. It's November, so it's getting cold. So most of the work is probably going to be getting done in here or at the shop I work at. But right now we're just going to take the block to the machine shop, get it decked, honed, hot tanked, oil tanked. The heads look good. So basically what happened was when I timed the engine, probably for the third time I did it, on a 96 to 98 4.6 2 valve, the crank gears are two separate gears. And what happened was I accidentally put one in reverse. I'm man enough to admit I made a mistake. I messed up. I put one in reverse. And what happened was the timing chains started eating at each other, like banging against each other, like the back sides of them. And then what that caused was it became sharpened and it started cutting into the Teflon guide. Now the Teflon guide then started shredding itself, falling into the bottom of the oil pan, which then clogged the oil pickup, which then spun the bearing on cylinder 1 and 5. Very aggressively, very bad. But I checked the heads. None of the valves are bent. Able to spin them freely. I'm going to be doing checking everything. Make sure that I'm going to be spraying it with fluid, penetrating fluid. Make sure nothing leaks. So I have good compression on all 8 cylinders. But they seem good. They seem in good condition. There was no signs that piston hit valve or anything. So that's good. So basically what we're going to be doing now is rebuilding the whole engine. And I'm probably going to be going for a lower compression build. Usually, like if you went stock OEM, you'd be running 10-to-1 compression. I'm probably going to be trying to go 9.1, 9.2-to-1 compression. The reason why I'm doing this is I want to stay on pump gas. I want to stay on 93. And I want to go for a big boost in the future with either Vortec or the Kenny Bell or whatever, maybe an Eaton, doing an Eaton swap on it. But we're going to go for big boost in the future, so I'm going to keep the compression low so I don't have to go 93 octane. I can stay on 93 octane. I don't have to go E85. E85 is a pain in the ass. I don't want to deal with it. Yeah, a lot of people probably be like, oh, do the 10-to-1 compression and then throw big boost at that and make that shit explode. But, you know, I'm not building a race car here. I'm building a street driving car that's fun to cruise around in, that makes decent power. You know, a lot of people have been saying to me, oh, Coyote swap it, oh, 4-valve swap it, oh, do this, do that. But I'm saving up for a wedding. I got a bunch of other things, saving up for a house. This is probably the most affordable route we can go. The most affordable thing would be just get rid of it all, but, you know, we're going to have fun here. We're going to keep it a lower compression build. We're going to make some decent power with it. I'm hoping that after everything's said and done, put back together, after break-in, I can put it on the dyno, maybe do a video of it on the dyno. I think that would be fun. But yeah, and then also I have some more Ranger content upcoming. The oil pan for the Ranger, and then probably I don't know, probably some other stuff I have going on. I really want to do some more updates with the Ranger. I'm having an issue with the TCM right now, so I'm trying to troubleshoot that. Basically what's happening is it's saying the TCM is having a miscalculation. I don't think it's the tune, because the tune's been fine. I think that either the math is dirty or something's going on, so I'm going to look at that. But yeah, so stay tuned. We have some more cool stuff coming. Hopefully this machine shop will be done. Machine shop work will be done in like a week or two. I'm going to be posting what I'm going to be doing with the build. We're just going to keep it simple, dude. We're just going to keep it simple, guys. We're going to do simple build, simple rebuild. Only like cool part that's going in the car is probably going to be Coyote rods, because my aunt, she works at Ford, and I can get it pretty cheap with the friends and family discount from Ford. So we're going to go Gen 2 Coyote rods, probably Mod Max pistons. I think they were 16cc dished, and just a regular old cast crank, 6-bolt cast crank, just like how they normally are. And after that, put that together, just regular King Clavette bearings in it. Nothing crazy. We're not doing anything crazy here, because we're gonna try and keep it on a budget. We're gonna try to make some decent power. I'm assuming when it's 9-to-1, it'll probably be making 250, 260 with the cams, the heads. Probably going to be getting rid of this Pipes catback, Pipes X-Pipe. There's a really nice BBK one at my job that's been sitting outside, and I'm going to make my boss an offer on it because this Pipes one, basically what happened is the O2 bungs, they are super, they're cross-threaded, they're all messed up, they're not in good shape. So basically what we're going to be doing is probably doing a BBK X-Pipe. This thing leaks, it barely fits well. I don't know, that's probably what we're going to be doing. I was going to see, depending how I feel, what we do with it. But yeah, so stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the future I should do with the Mustang motor and the Mustang. Right now we're just trying to get the rebuild done, so let me know what you want to see with the Ranger, if there's anything else you want to see, if maybe you want me to do some videos explaining like the build sheet of the Mustang, how I'm going to be building it, and stuff like that. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace.